Welcome to CR the Restorative Discipline course tutorial video. This course is designed to provide information on restorative philosophy, student discipline code of conduct, and Section 7 of the Benilde Undergraduate Student Handbook. This course is a requirement for all undergraduate students and must be completed only once. For content and modules, remember that only modules 0, 1, 9, and 10 are initially visible. Let me repeat, only modules 0, 1, 9, and 10 are initially visible. Further, you need to sequentially accomplish each modules. For modules 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 have sets of conditions. The following conditions for each module. To begin with Module 2, Student Rights and Responsibilities, this module will be released upon completion of all activities, watch video, read text of Module 1. For Module 3, Jurisdiction of Benilde, will only be released upon completion of all activities, watch video, read text, and quiz must be 100% of Module 2. For Module 4, Minor Offenses and Sanctions, this module will be released upon completion of all activities, watch the video, read text, and quiz must be 100% of Module 3. For Module 5, Common Major Offenses, this module will be released upon completion of all activities, watch video, read text, and quiz must be 100% and answer survey of Module 4, and so on for the rest of the modules 6 and 7. Important reminders. In Module 8, you have to complete the Student Handbook Construct Google form using your Benilde email account. As where you can see the encircled example found on the screen provided. Also, once you have completed and submitted the form, you will receive an email from crd.noreply@benilde.edu.ph with the subject Restorative Discipline Course Completion. Always remember, after filling out the form, to click the Submit button found in the bottom portion of the Google form. Furthermore, the CRD monitors the completion of the course daily. Once you have completed, you will be cleared by a CRD associate. Further, you need to complete this course on the set deadline, posted on the news page of CRD Restorative Discipline Course Big Sky and student mailing list. Again, thank you so much. For more questions or inquiry, you may email us at crd@benilde.edu.ph or visit us at the atrium at Benilde, Mezzanine, Taft Campus D305, Akit Campus I902, and Design and Arts Campus A912.